Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Rogue screen. Sometimes your infotainment system might freeze or act glitchy, and a simple reset can often fix these common issues. We'll cover both a quick soft reset and a more thorough hard reset, ensuring your system runs smoothly again. This guide will help you get your screen back to perfect working order without any hassle. To perform a soft reset, simply press and hold the power button, usually the volume knob, for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the system power down and then restart, often displaying the Nissan logo. This quick reboot is like restarting your computer. It clears minor bugs and temporary memory without affecting your saved settings or data. It's always the first step to try for a frozen screen.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And on another note, just like a smooth running car, a clean home makes life easier. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is totally pet-friendly, giving you a truly effortless clean. Find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
If a soft reset doesn't work, a hard reset might be necessary. This involves disconnecting your car's negative battery cable for 5 to 10 minutes. This completely cycles power to the system, clearing deeper faults. Be aware that this can reset other vehicle settings, so you might need to re-enter radio presets or reconnect Bluetooth devices afterward. Always ensure your car is parked safely before attempting this. After performing any reset, take a moment to check if your screen is responding as it should. Test the touchscreen, navigation, and audio functions. If problems continue, look into software updates for your Nissan Connect system, as these often contain bug fixes. For persistent issues or hardware concerns, it's best to consult a Nissan dealership. They have specialized tools for diagnostics and repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.